Hello everyone, my name is Subhash Kolle and today's our topic is object-oriented programming language and procedural operating object-oriented language. Today date is 17th of November 2022. First one, object-oriented programming language. OOP treats data as a critical elements, and in this program development that does not allow to the flow it to flow freely around the system. The major emphasis of data is on data rather than procedure and functions. It ties the data more closely to the function that operate on it. It protects it from accidental modification from modification it and protects it from accidental modification from outside functions, which allows a decomposition of a problem into a number of entities called objects, and then builds our data and function around these objects. These objects, the data of an object can be accessed only by the essential language and essential language essential language. The data of an object can be accessed only by the functions. Intent is called object and builds data and function around this object. The data of an object can be accessed only by the functions associated with the object or the function. Function of one object can access of a function in other objects like on C++ and Java or .NET. Second one, procedural oriented programming language, and it means POP. In the procedure oriented approach, large programs are divided into smaller programs known as a function. In POP, a program is written as a sequence procedure or functions in POP, each procedure function contains a series of instruction for performing a specific task. During the program execution, each procedure function can be called by the other procedures. To call the procedure function, we have written the function name only. While we concentrate on to development of functions in POP, we give very little attention of the data at are being used to various functions. In POP, the major emphasis of in procedure function and none on the data. In multi-function program, many important data items are placed in a global buffer so that they may be accessed by all of the functions. All the functions of each functions may be have its own local data, and global data. Global data are more vulnerable to accidental changes by the functions. Otherwise, local data. And in large program, it is very difficult to identify what data is used by the functions. Examples of procedure-oriented programming language are COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, C programming language, etc. This is the meaning by global data variation and functions in the POPs and POPs.